Hey folks, Ethan here with Royal Pools G2 Outdoor Design. As you can see behind me, we're loading up a fiberglass and sending it out to the job site, prepping for install. So here at RPG2, we like to think that it's our responsibility to educate you on the good, the bad, and even the ugly of fiberglass swimming pools. So let's head on over to the studio and discuss the top 5 problems with choosing a fiberglass pool.
While fiberglass pools have numerous benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button below. You will not want to miss out on our upcoming videos packed with great information to aid you in the search of your forever yard. Oh, and check out all of our other social media channels as well. All right, no more waiting. Let's get into the top 5 problems with a fiberglass pool. Number 1. Limited design options. Fiberglass pools come in pre-formed shapes and sizes. So what you see is what you get. There is limited flexibility compared to concrete pools and even vinyl liner pools. Although there are tons of great options with various steps, benches, and ledges. If you have specific design preferences or want to customize the shape and size of your fiberglass pool, a fiberglass pool might not be the best option for you. Number 2, installation challenges. While fiberglass pool installation is generally quicker than other types, it can still present challenges due to the pool being delivered as one huge piece. Specifically, if access to your property is limited or if there are obstacles that make backyard entry difficult. Contractors can use cranes or telehandlers, but that will come with an additional cost. Number 3, surface vulnerability. While fiberglass pools have a very durable gel coat surface, they can still be susceptible to damage from sharp or even heavy objects. Cracks or chips in the surface can be difficult to repair and may require professional assistance to fix properly. Number 4, limited DIY repair options. While some maintenance tasks for fiberglass pools can be performed by homeowners, such as cleaning and chemical balancing, repairs to the pool shell itself typically require professional assistance. DIY repairs on fiberglass pools can be challenging and may result in further damage if not done correctly. And 5, our final problem with fiberglass pools, the initial cost. While fiberglass pools have the lowest maintenance cost over 3 pool types, depending on the area you live in, they often have a higher upfront cost compared to other types of pools. And there you have it, folks. These potential problems should be considered alongside the benefits when deciding if a fiberglass pool is the right choice for you. As always, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. If you've made it this far in the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for a chance to win our monthly gift card giveaway. This will be announced on Instagram at the end of every month. Thank you.